This is business-in-a-box software for starting a credit repair company, not a tool that repairs your own credit. The price only makes sense if you're actually building a client business on it. That's the part of Credit Repair Cloud nobody puts in the headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. The leading software to start, run, and grow a highly profitable credit repair business from anywhere in the world.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. Paid plans kick in around $49 a month. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AI Builder Marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
The middle tiers jump fast as you add clients and seats, and success depends far more on your sales and compliance discipline. Credit repair is a regulated space than on the software. Buy it as an operator, not a consumer. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, entrepreneurs building or running a credit repair business who need client management, dispute automation, and done-for-you letter workflows.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you just want to fix your own personal credit. You don't need this. Or you're not prepared for the sales and compliance work a client business demands. So, the verdict. Worth it if you're entrepreneurs building or running a credit repair. Skip it if you just want to fix your own personal credit.
The complete Credit Repair Cloud dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AI Builder Marketplace website. No sign up.
And if Credit Repair Cloud isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used Credit Repair Cloud yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts. And we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.